What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bukop Entertainment. So, Duduzile Zuma is in serious trouble at the moment, and she is said to have been sending message to up to 164 WhatsApp groups. So, this is the first case, that is related to inciting violence via social media. So, the other people have already been arrested so far, and one of the people who has been arrested is this guy who goes by the surname Zuma but is not related to Zuma. Some of the messages that Duduze Zuma was sending, were messages like, "We see you." So Duduze Zuma is arguing that these messages, they were just a commentary, reaction to what was happening. But the state is arguing that those messages were calls for her to incite violence. So the outcome of this trial is going to have like big implications, on freedom of speech, on how social media is regulated. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.